Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a castle in the clouds. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw 3 clouds like this. Now let's draw a nice castle on them very quickly. I draw 2 bastions on the sides. Then I draw the door and the windows. Now I draw 3 towers. I draw 3 flags too. The windows. And decorate the castle like this. Finally, I draw a nice rainbow on the side. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's color the castle. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start from the bottom, red. Then I use orange, yellow, then I color the bastions, light green, dark green, light blue. Now let's color the towers. A little dark blue, purple, and pink. Let's start with red, orange, yellow, and green. Mint. For the clouds, I use blue. Finally, I color the rainbow. I start with the color red, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple. Awesome! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.